Hello everyone! If you follow us, you probably know that we cooperate with one of the most known Russian companies, Skygen, and today we want to show you something really special. Let's take a closer look. Skygen is an official New England Beer Labs distributor in Russia. New England Beer Labs is a company from the USA known for their qualitative kits. In Plasmid DNA Miniprep kit, you can find detailed protocol, a set of column tubes, and all reagents you need. Resuspense buffer and lysis buffer are marked with colors, which you can easily find in the protocol text. Also, there are 2 wash buffers and 1 elute buffer. The second wash buffer you can mark at the moment when you add ethanol. It makes your life a bit simpler. Maybe you ask where is the neutralized buffer, and we answer, according to protocol, it should be stored at 4 degrees centigrade, because it contains RNAs. Of course, we are decent people. In conclusion, we'd like to say that Skygen can provide you a sample of this kit and another ones. For more information, visit skygen.com or send a letter to a mail you can find below.